Hello and welcome to my class of life skills. I am Bhavna Bhatt and today I am going to tell you something about life skills. Life skills is a very vast topic, but still I am going to discuss with some of them. Life skills. Life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enables individuals to deal effectively with the demand and challenges of everyday life. Life skills are abilities that facilitate the physical, mental, and emotional well being. Now we have 10 basic skills as self awareness, empathy, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision making, problem solving, interpersonal relationships, effective communication, coping with stress. Basically, I am going to discuss today a very important topic, that is self awareness. So, self awareness. Okay, let's find out who you are and do it on some purpose. You can think on it, you can have action or activity, you can select and apply improvements, identify negatives, identify your positives, and then review to develop understanding. Self awareness also, it is the control of your mind, body, and energy. It is the example, we can control our emotions like disgust, fear, joy, sadness, anger by coping with these emotions. We can avoid emotional distress. It is going to distract us from our positive feelings to our negative feelings. So emotions focused coping is well suited for stressors that seem uncontrollable. Now coming to the next, we interpersonal relationships. Interpersonal relationship is a strong, deep, or close association, or it is the acquaintance between two or more people that may range in duration from brief to enduring. This association may be based on inference, love, solidarity, regular business. Now we can have one more as stress. How can we cope up with the stress? Coping with stress. Coping with stress is the process by which a person consciously attempts to master, minimize, or tolerate stressors and problems in life. Now the next one is decision making. In the wider process of problem solving, decision making involves choosing between possible solutions to a problem. Decisions can be made through either an intuitive or reasoned process. Now I am going to tell you something about some activities on self-awareness. Write morning pages, keep a journal, use feedback analysis, create a life vision mission, write a personal manifesto, record your ABCs, write a regret letter, record your personal narrative, write down. We can also play a game with the students like self-awareness fortune teller. Here they just have to write on a piece of paper their hopes, emotions, values, and strengths. Next activity we can have for the students is how do you feel? For example, if they are feeling depressed, sad, anger, or they have frustrations, or they are excited, so they can put their thoughts on the piece of paper. Thank you.